and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing why you should be using LinkedIn to promote your business across the internet. And we're going to be using 5 really powerful reasons to tell you why you should be choosing LinkedIn to advertise your business along with other social media platforms. So fact number 1, more than 17 million people, according to research, are active users of LinkedIn, and that is a very considerable number. That is something that you need to keep in mind when you're presenting your services to a targeted audience. And you never know, they can be anywhere. They can be on Facebook, they can be on other social media platforms, but more specifically, they can be on LinkedIn because they are here. They want to look for services. And they want to look for businesses who are authentic, who are credible, whom they can trust. So that's why LinkedIn is a much more accurate place to be as compared to other social media platforms. Now, why do we think that? Well, we have a few reasons that we can list down in order to help you understand the importance of LinkedIn as a social media platform, not just a social media platform, but very powerful marketing site as well. Well, the first thing about LinkedIn itself is that, well, the purpose of LinkedIn is to promote businesses, to attract employers, to help them hire people, to help people be employed by companies, and to help companies establish their credibility across the internet. And that is a very useful feature. It makes finding appropriate businesses or appropriate services much more easier for people. And since you can hire and you can also be employed, so the section right here, the work section, it allows you to see the talent solution. You can recruit talent, you can also do sales and things, you can also post jobs. There are also marketing solutions. So on other social media platforms, the marketing opportunities are kind of vague, but on LinkedIn, they are very much clear. They're very clear about their goals, and you can also create a company page from LinkedIn directly. So you can not just boast about your own position. Well, boast might be a little too strong of a word, but you can not only promote your own position and your authority, but also you can promote your company. So that is a very huge advantage. And there are other features that you can use as well. You can directly advertise, you can also learn. There are other things which are specifically designed. These features are designed to make your work life easier and to make your work life shareable through social media. And that is something that only LinkedIn can provide. And you can build a powerful business network with LinkedIn because since there are companies here, there are hashtags which are specifically related to businesses. And apart from that, you can also get a lot of exposure as a lot of potential or targeted audience can find out more about you and your business. So let's just say that this is a site. This is LinkedIn Marketing Solutions, and this is LinkedIn itself. And they are advertising themselves by inserting a link to a blog here, and they have inserted a thumbnail and the link to a blog here. And this is something that you can use in order to find out more about them. So in terms of a company, you can upload your content here and you can attract the targeted audience directly. You won't have to work too hard since this site is made for businesses. It's made for a healthy corporate structure. It's made for maintaining and help you understand a healthier and a much more successful corporate structure. And you can get a lot of website to your site as well. See, the LinkedIn Marketing Solution, they've inserted a link to their blog here. So all of the traffic will be directed to this link when they click on it. And that is a very useful strategy. That is a very smart strategy. And you can establish credibility and social proof to attract customers because you see, this is a very credible site. This is a very notable and renowned site. So if you promote yourself here, you're not just promoting your business, you're establishing credibility of your business. You're telling customers that they can trust you, and that's how you can grow your business as well. So these are some of the main advantages you can get by promoting your business on LinkedIn. So go ahead and make a business account for your brand on LinkedIn today.